I used this tool for just a few minutes a day, and it literally sculpted my jawline, smoothed my wrinkles, and made my skin glow. I could not believe it. No injections, no lies, just gua sha. While everyone's hyping up expensive serums and lasers, this ancient healing technique is quietly transforming faces, naturally and scientifically. Before we dive in, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because not only is this one of the most powerful facelifting tools, but I'm revealing a step-by-step bonus gua sha routine at the very end. You don't want to miss it. Gua sha is a traditional Chinese therapy used for centuries to promote healing and balance. Today, it's one of the most powerful natural facelift tools you can use. Research shows gua sha can increase blood circulation by over 400%, delivering nutrients, flushing toxins, and promoting collagen naturally. It doesn't just work on the surface. Gua sha reaches your lymphatic system, your facial fascia, and your microcirculation, lifting your face from within. Blood flow activates fibroblasts, your body's collagen factories. More flow means tighter and firmer skin, all from a simple stroke. These aren't filters, these are real results. Smoother skin, reduced puffiness, and more definition in just a few sessions. I couldn't believe what gua sha did to my wrinkles in just 7 days, and I wasn't the only one. Because it activates lymphatic drainage, gua sha visibly reduces swelling and puffiness in minutes. Dragging the tool dry, pulling the skin, rushing through it, these mistakes stop you from seeing real results. Before you begin, make sure your face is freshly cleansed, and you've applied a light layer of facial oil. Now start at the chin and glide up to your earlobe. This lifts your jawline and reduces sag. Always use gentle upward strokes. Support the skin and glide the tool upward above the brow. This opens your eyes and lifts the forehead naturally. Sweep from the side of the nose to the top of the ear. This releases trapped fluid and defines your cheeks. Always use facial oil and not lotion. It allows smooth glide, prevents tugging, and nourishes your skin barrier. Hold your tool almost flat, about 15 degrees. This hugs your skin and prevents bruising. Real jade or rose quartz holds a cooling charge that soothes skin and improves results. Avoid cheap plastic tools. Morning gua sha depuffs your face. Nighttime gua sha melts away stress and tension from the day. Even a 2-minute gua sha session gives you that I just had a facial glow. Instantly. Always start and end with your neck. It's the drainage path for your entire face. Use the tool's edge gently under the eyes. This reduces dark circles and puffiness safely. You don't need 30 minutes, just 5 minutes a day. Done right, and your skin will transform. Botox freezes. Gua sha activates. One hides movement, the other restores youth naturally. Facial tension causes wrinkles. Gua sha relaxes your muscles, releases stress, and smooths your skin. Studies show gua sha improves elasticity, reduces inflammation, and enhances circulation. It's proven, not hype. Document your face over 7 days. You'll see puffiness fade, cheekbones sharpen, and skin tone even out. Support your glow with hydration, collagen-boosting foods, and antioxidants. Inside-out results guaranteed. You don't need filters to feel beautiful. You just need truth, tools, and consistency. You've learned everything. Now it's your turn. Commit to your glow. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult a skincare professional before beginning any new facial routine. Subscribe for more natural remedies that work. Your face deserves the best. Here's your step-by-step gua sha routine. Follow this for real results. Step 1. Cleanse your face and apply facial oil. Step 2. Start with the neck. Glide downward 5 times on each side. Step 3. Glide jawline upward from chin to ear 5 times on each side. Step 4. Sweep cheeks from the side of the nose to the ears. Step 5. Glide up over brows and forehead in smooth strokes. Step 6. Use feather-light strokes under the eyes. Step 7. Finish by draining downward on the neck again, 5 to 7 minutes. Daily or every other day, that's it. Your glow-up starts now.